I always have a lot of options. When you can't get something from someone, just have so many options and solutions for your problems. Then you need not depend on one single person to learn something, to get something. Always try to have so many different opportunities and people around, so that if you can't get the support and love and help from one, you can get from others. So just don't depend on one single person or one single solution all the time. So if you cannot get a one single solution for a particular problem, just think of so many problems, so many solutions, and try each and every one, so that you'll get the best possible solution as well as best person to support you at the time of crisis, at the time of distress, time of difficulty. You just depend on one person if you're getting deceived, or if you're getting um, disturbed, or if you're getting that displeasure or letting you down. If you have so many people around to support you, love you, take care of you, and protect you, then you need not depend on one single person or single solution for your problems. In such a case, you won't worry at all, or you won't get deceived or face your failures. Think of various possibilities and solutions, my dear friends. This will always help you to face your problems in a better fashion and be more of a person who loves themselves with more of self-love, and have self-respect, and have a good self-image, and always try to do something or the other to develop and enhance your personality. And this will definitely help you, my dear friends. Just try it out.